So hello guys, today now let's see the H&R front sway bar, anti-roll bar for my W210. As you can see here, just came from Germany. Here we have some flyers, montage or installation instructions. Also this sway bar is adjustable. We have two options, stiffer and standard, and I like it. It is main reason why I decided to remove the AMG 55 sway bar from my car and install this H&R. So before installation, I want to introduce you this piece of steel with all the accessories it came, and also I added in complete. So guys, here you can see the sway bar itself, what was in kit from H&R. Here are two bushings and mounting accessories. Primarily these are two bolts and washers with nuts. This is the bushing from H&R. Looks like a factory one, but it is very hard. I think this is made from the polyurethane as well, but very stiff, guys. Here you can see the black polyurethane bushing from H&R. It can be something different, I mean material, but for me it looks like regular polyurethane, very stiff. I will save this for spare because I am not going to install them with new sway bar. From video here you can see that I have already got Strongflex yellow stuff for this blue guy, and I will install them. So we have here two mounting hardware or the bolts with washers and nuts. It allows us to connect factory sway bar link to the H&R sway bar. Here you can see the holes on the sway bar, and this bolt goes into that places. It allows us once again to use factory sway bar links with this guy, but I will use only factory steel. Otherwise I will remove the stock bushings from the factory sway bar links and upgrade them to this or to Strongflex polyurethane bushings. So my friends, here are two bushings, two bolts, washers, nuts, and the main piece of steel, anti-roll bar. For you now I will measure it with the caliper. H&R stamps that this is 30 millimeter in diameter. Let's measure and confirm the thickness of the sway bar, and here you can see that they are absolutely right. 30 millimeters is presented here, and I like it very much, my friends. Let's move on and see what I have got additionally. So as I already mentioned, here are Strongflex polyurethane bushings. They are yellow, most stiff option. Here it is, very stiff. I have installed, if we compare it to the H&R bushing, Strongflex is bigger and it looks like more heavy duty. That's why I am going to install that Strongflex on my car. I have Strongflex red stuff majorly on my car. Most of the polyurethane bushings are red stuff, but for sway bar, due to the stiffness, I ordered this yellow ones. Here you can see the part numbers. Quite expensive, guys. These are not cheap. And also, as I already mentioned, I ordered this polyurethane bushings. These are for sway bar links. I will remove the original bushings from them and install these guys, and then it will be possible to attach the sway bar link to the anti-roll bar and install H&R anti-roll bar with Strongflex polyurethane stuff on my car. I'm going to do this mod very soon, and separate DIY video about it will be also available on my channel. once again, this is introduction video what I have got for upgrading the front sway bar stuff on my W210. So these are the major parts, and now I want to show you the stamp which confirms that this sway bar is made in Germany. Sorry for the angle, this is enough big item or part and I cannot place the camera better, but here you can see that we have on the blue finish white markings which confirm that this sway bar is absolutely purely 100% made in Germany, and I like it as well very much. The sway bar is not cheap, more than 230 euros is enough money for it, but I invested the money for it and I am ready to install it on my car and see the result. So I will catch you in the next episode. Hope you like the video. Any questions, feel free to ask below. Once again, big thanks and catch you in the next episodes. Goodbye.